Well, good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a show enough good Monday and a good start to a new week. But I'm here to tell you, in East Central Mississippi, gracious, it's hotter than an aluminum foil sweatshirt out here right now. What I wanted to make mention of, if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over in the sticks, gonna be something. I thank y'all for coming back. What I wanted to share with you and y'all today is, Lord of mercy, we got to get the second sister in the ground. It may be too late, but you know what? We're gonna give it heck trying, and we're just gonna try to do the dang thing. So give me a second. That's what we finna do. Before we get started with getting the second sister in the ground, I wanted to let you and y'all know that this video was actually supposed to be uploaded on Saturday. But I got called in to work, Lord of mercy. I'm gonna put up a few pictures and show you what I was dealing with. Gracious, it was a mess. All right, brothers and sisters, I had to do a little bit of housekeeping in these raised beds. Well, this raised bed, Lord of mercy. I'm here to tell you, you let it go for a week, you spend an hour pulling stuff like that. Yeah, the weeds everywhere. Look here, ooh-wee. That's the second sister, and those are Kentucky Wonder pole beans, the stringless, and they are rust resistant. So what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to get some seeds down here growing next to these sisters. Well, the first sister, which is corn, we're gonna see if we can get the pole beans to grow up these stalks, and heck, we'll have some pole beans maybe. So let's commence to doing that. All right, here are Kentucky Wonder pole beans. And all I'm gonna do is, this ain't gonna be too scientific or anything, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna daub a little hole in here, about maybe an inch deep. And I'm probably put maybe 3 seeds around each one of these corn stalks. Just gonna drop a seed down in the hole, cover it up, pat it down a little bit. There's another one. And yeah, too easy. Y'all seen me plant seeds 1,000 times, but Lord, I had the time to do it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get all these seeds planted in. I'm gonna try to get 3 of these Kentucky Wonder pole beans around each one of these stalks, and we'll see what happens. So give me a second. I'm gonna commence to doing that. Be right back with you. All right, we got our Kentucky Wonder pole beans in the ground. I have roughly 20 stalks of corn growing here, or 20 corn plants. So maybe 3 seeds, pole bean seeds per plant. So that's 60 Kentucky pole bean plants, roughly. I can't really add or subtract. But anyways, hopefully we'll have a whole bunch of Kentucky Wonder pole beans coming up. Only thing left to do is, sure enough, get our water on. We're gonna give these Kentucky Wonders a little bit of water, see if we can't get them jump started and see what happens. Oh, I got my snake out too. Kentucky Wonder pole beans come up, yeah, he'll guard them. That's right, a little snake. All right, y'all, there you have it. The second sister is in the ground, the Kentucky Wonder pole beans. I don't know, Dan, you might have waited too late. I don't know. We're just gonna see what happens. You're never gonna know unless you try. I wish I could have got them in a little bit sooner, but that's okay. They're in the ground now. Again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Monday, and I hope y'all have a really good week. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really? With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee showing up, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. It's important. And Dan Referee will see you and y'all in the next video.